For months, my big Monstera was the last one still in soil, besides the flamingo lily. I'd kept her that way because she was a gift for my 40th birthday and I didn't want to risk losing her. But then I noticed a tiny infestation, and that was the sign to finally do it. So about 6 weeks ago, she moved from soil into LECA. At first, the whole process can look a bit intimidating, but once you start, it feels almost meditative. You begin by soaking the LECA, washing away the dust until the water runs clear, letting the clay take in moisture evenly. Then comes the plant. The roots are often twisted and tangled, packed tightly into old, heavy soil. Bit by bit, you free them up, shake, rinse, loosen, until they're clean again. It's like a small act of decluttering, removing what's no longer needed, making space for something lighter. Every trace of soil has to go, so the roots can breathe freely and stay healthy in their new setup. Some people like to give them a quick soak in a mild hydrogen peroxide. I did so too, just to be sure everything is clean before planting again. When potting up, it helps to fill the outer pot with quite a bit of water first. The LECA balls then float slightly, and that lets you position the roots more easily. Then, when you lift the pot out of the water bath, it drains beautifully, and you can see how everything settles and tightens in place. It's oddly satisfying. 6 weeks later, the Monstera seems to have settled in. A few leaves have yellowed, that's normal after a transition, but overall she looks strong and calm. No drooping, no smell, no drama, just quiet, steady growth. Maybe that's the real lesson, that caring for something isn't about perfection, but about attention and the willingness to start. So far, this Monstera seems happy and the infestation is gone too, and that's all one could hope for. Thanks for watching, and here's to a few more quiet plant victories.